The American School of Flower Design, flowerschool101.com. You want to be a designer? I can show you how. People are always asking me, what do you do with these big vases? My answer is clump it. Cluster, zone, and clump it. Here we have several items. Yes, and these are big vases. It takes a lot to fill them. These are giant and medium-sized, non-sterile leaves. Like that. There's my start. I'm going to take some ponderosa pine, they call it, and I'm going to stick a big bunch of ponderosa pine right there. Next, I'm going to take some of my orange berries and clump it, cluster it. Boom, right there. There is my orange berries. Now see how everything's kind of holding everything? I can push it up and push it down. That is the secret of cluster and zoning. Next, I'm going to clean off some stem and do a zone of magnolia on this side of my design. And I'm going to spin it around so you can see it. Magnolia. It's a perfect fall design. Look at that. I'm going to pull my berries up because I like these. I want more prominence on my berries. It's their time to shine. I'm going to put some more eucalyptus on this side. This is your entryway piece. This is for your buffet table. This is for your restaurant in Soho for your early fall brunch. Greeting piece. Then I've got some leucadendron. Leucadendron. Think of the wolf. Leucadendron. Very dark. Very black. So I'm going to put a bunch of leucadendron right here for drama. The black leucadendron of fall. And then I'm going to spin it around and see where I need. I think I need another big monstera leaf over on this side to protect. You'll see in my books, I have 3 books out, Design Star, Flower Power, and American in Paris, and all the books have lower deck, upper deck, and penthouse. You gotta get low, you gotta get upper, you gotta get penthouse. Originally I worked on Wall Street, then I went and became a truck driver in the Midwest, and this is what happened. I've been on the Today Show, I've been on Hallmark Channel. I wrote 3 books. I opened Macy's Flower Show on Herald Square for 7 years. I do runway shows in New York, after parties, so look what happened. If you want that to happen to you, you gotta go to school. I tell people about school, I said, you don't walk into a ballet company and say, I just love ballet. Do you mind if I dance Swan Lake? So people walk into a flower shop and say, I love flowers. Do you mind if I work for you? I say, what can you do to make my life easier? And they say, did I tell you I love flowers? I go, yes, you did. What else can you tell me? Well, it's my passion. Oh, good. What else can you tell me? Did I mention I love flowers? Yes, you did. All right, give me a resume. I'll look at it, which of course I really don't look at it too much. So it's a craft and a trade. 2 + 2 = 4. I will teach you how to do this. This was done in 3 minutes. For let's say it's for one of my clients. But also it's profitable. There's about $50 worth of materials in here. I'm going to charge $150 to $175 for the whole thing. I just made $100 in 3 minutes. So Michael Gaffney, Flower School 101. You want to come? You want to be a designer? Come see me. I am the only one who teaches the way I do. How do I know that? Because my students have gone to every other school besides mine. They come back and say, nobody knows what you know. I call it the Da Vinci Code of flower design. It's a specific way of teaching this. Flowerschool101.com.